Ever found yourself musing over how many hours there are in a week? It's a question that doesn't often cross our minds. We're so caught up in the daily grind, always chasing after the next deadline, that we forget to take a step back and look at the bigger picture. We complain about the lack of time, but have we ever stopped to actually count the hours we have at our disposal in a week? 168. Yes, that's right. We have 168 hours in a week, and how we use them can make all the difference. Let's break down the 168 hours in a week. Imagine it as a pie chart, where each slice represents a different aspect of your life. First, we have 56 hours for sleeping. That's assuming you're getting a healthy 8 hours of sleep each day, which we all should strive for. Next, we have 40 hours for work. This is based on the typical full-time job, although we know some of you might be clocking in more or less. Then we have 35 hours for the necessities: eating, showering, driving, and other daily tasks. Now, if you've been following the math, you'll realize that we're left with 37 hours. That's a significant chunk of time, isn't it? This is the time we have at our disposal to pursue our dreams, our passions, and our goals. So you see, even with all our daily commitments, we still have enough time to chase our dreams. The question is, how are we using this time? Consider the story of Elon Musk, a man who seemingly has his fingers in every futuristic pie. Elon Musk, a name synonymous with innovation, ambition, and the audacity to dream big. This is a man who, amidst the whirlwind of his numerous ventures, has managed to carve out a path to success. Each of Musk's companies, Tesla, SpaceX, Neuralink, and the Boring Company, rings a bell of technological advancement and an audacious vision for the future. These aren't mere business ventures, they are testament to Musk's extraordinary dreams and the lengths he has gone to make them a reality. But how does he do it? How does he juggle between these ventures, each requiring significant time and attention? The answer lies in effective time management. Musk himself has often spoken about dividing his week into 5-minute slots, meticulously planning each moment to ensure optimal productivity. Despite his commitments, Musk has never lost sight of his dreams. He's a man who dared to dream of electric cars, of colonizing Mars, of high-speed tunnel travel, and of merging the human brain with artificial intelligence. And he is not just dreaming, he is making these dreams come true. This isn't about having more hours in a day. It's about making every hour count. It's about prioritizing, strategizing, and relentlessly pursuing your dreams. Elon Musk's story serves as a powerful reminder. With effective time management, we can not only dream but also achieve. So, what can we glean from this? Here's the lowdown, folks. Time management isn't just about organizing your day-to-day, it's about setting the stage for your dreams to come alive. Each of us has the same 168 hours in a week, no more, no less. And it's in these hours that we have the chance to sculpt our dreams into reality. The key here is effective utilization of time. It's about prioritizing, strategizing, and optimizing every single hour of every single day. It's about making the most of our waking hours, and even our sleeping ones. It's about making every second count towards the realization of our dreams. This isn't just about achieving success. It's about achieving happiness. Because at the end of the day, that's what we're all striving for, isn't it? Remember, we all have the same 168 hours in a week. It's how we use them that sets us apart. So dream big, manage your time effectively, and watch as you turn your dreams into reality. Thank you for tuning into this video and showing your support for self-education and lifelong learning. If you found this content valuable, please take a moment to show your appreciation by giving the video a like. And if you haven't already, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more informative content in the future. We love creating content that is both informative and engaging. And we want to hear from you. Let us know in the comments what topics you'd like us to cover next. Your feedback helps us create videos that you'll love. If you're interested in learning more about this topic or related subjects, be sure to check out the other videos on our channel. You'll find a wealth of information that will help you on your journey of self-improvement and personal growth. Once again, thank you for your time and attention. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more great content in the future.